So let's take you guys back here. I'm just seeing just a little bit of some, just a little bit of some winds. Just want to stay tuned. It's in Marshall. Just had to come back live for just a little bit, even if it's just for a few minutes. But what I don't want to happen is we get put under a tornado warning, and I can't capture it because I capture the stream too. Yeah, we'll just keep it right here. I won't use the other camera. We'll just keep it right here.
If we look at the radar, if we look at radar scope, I mean, you can see the storms beginning to initiate across Kansas City.
I kind of had to go live because I didn't want to miss out if they do issue a tornado warning. If they don't, then yeah, well, we will. I guess we will. We will cut the stream again, but I couldn't waste another opportunity. If they don't, then we'll, I guess we will. Don't want to waste another opportunity.
Much colder with lows 15 to 20. Monday, sunny. Much cooler with highs in the mid-30s. Monday night, mostly clear till midnight. Tuesday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Not as cool highs in the upper 40s. At 11 p.m. in Chillicothe, the temperature was 60, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 92%.
Oh, what am I doing? That's the wrong computer.
Northwest at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.
Just gotta watch this here. I know the inflow winds is a little bit more dominant than the outflow winds, but
With a temperature of 72 at
just want to kind of keep it right here
and 72 at St. Louis.
before we cut it again,
Mostly cloudy with a temperature of
because it certainly looks like it is a possibility
the Ozarks.
that could happen.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 68 at Moberly, 72 at Sedalia, 60 at Kansas City, and 63 at Kirksville. Elsewhere in the Midwest, at Topeka, rain was falling with a temperature of 58. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 40 at Omaha and 50 at Des Moines. At Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 58. Once again, at 11 p.m. at Chillicothe, the temperature was 60, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 92%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour.
For those of you just tuning in, we thank you for tuning in. This will probably be a quick live stream. If you guys want to go back and watch the main live stream, I will.
In effect until 2
Um,
a.m. Wednesday. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include Carroll County and Lake County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 12:30 a.m. Impacts.
If you guys want to go back and watch the main stream, but I just had to come back on for just a few minutes because I thought I was seeing a little bit of rotation. Still seeing a little red and green coming together a little bit in northern Saline County. I just want to continue to monitor this while this is still here. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's weakening. This air rotation is weakening. And I just wanted to stay here just in case we had something going on here.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Richmond, Carrollton, Woods Heights, Rayville, Bogart, Tima, and Stead. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Be especially cautious of
Just watching the radar as it progresses east.
dangers of flooding. Here is an important tornado fact. Tornadoes occur in many parts of the world.
What's concerning me is I'm watching this area right here.
More tornadoes than any other country in the
That's what
world.
I'm watching.
In an average year, 800 tornadoes are reported nationwide, resulting in 80 deaths and over 1,500 injuries. This is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 34 in Carrollton, Missouri. The current time is 11:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Carrollton and the surrounding area. Rest of tonight, cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Then showers with a chance of thunder.
If anything does rotate, it does become tornado warning. It'll be north of my area.
Lower 40s. West winds 5
Well north.
miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles
But I'm watching. I can hear the wind picking up outside.
80%.
Just kind of watching it to see what's happening.
Central Multiband Fire, Lane County EMS, any available deputies, stand by for tones, structure fire, 103 West Lundbeck Street, Multiband, 103 West Lundbeck Street, Multiband, stand by for tones.
I didn't know multiple.
Up to 30 miles an hour, becoming west around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Okay, it looks like it's beginning to vanish now.
5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy.
Looks like it's beginning.
Central Multiband Fire, Lane County EMS, 7617, structure fire, 103 West Lundbeck Street.
Looks like it's beginning to,
Residents were struck by fire. There's lightning. By lightning, there's smoke and flame showing 2339.
Lows to the upper 30s. Saturday, partly sunny. Warmer with highs
I hope that's not one of my viewers because
And 18 will be en route.
then mostly cloudy with a chance of rain after midnight.
I have a viewer of mine who lives in Multiband.
Lane County EMS copy tones 2340.
50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny.
So we just got a call that a house was struck by lightning, and this storm's moving to Multiband. So we already know just how powerful this storm is producing lightning. And unfortunately, radar scope doesn't give me the ability to see what the lightning count is. But it's there. This is one of those storms.
Cold with lows around 20.
Yeah, we're gonna stay live for just a little bit. We'll probably stay live until midnight.
Partly sunny.
Like I should have done in the first place.
Highs in the upper
But whatever.
at 11 p.m. at Chillicothe.
It's there. This is one of those storms.
58 and the relative humidity 92%. The wind
Yeah, we're gonna stay live for just a little bit. We'll probably stay live
Central
until midnight.
7619 confirmation. The RPA did disconnect. We attempted to recontact and reach your voicemail.
Missouri, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 72 in Warrensburg.
Copy. With everybody out of the residence.
72
Got some heavy rainfall moving in.
It was mostly cloudy.
She advised that they were
70 at Columbia and 69 at the Lake of the Ozarks. It was cloudy with a temperature of 68 at Moberly, 72 at Sedalia, 60 at Kansas City.
Order out from Marshall.
Elsewhere in the Midwest, at Topeka, rain was falling with a temperature of 58. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 40 at Omaha and 50 at Des Moines. At Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 58.
Okay.
Once again, at 11 p.m. at Chillicothe, the temperature was 60. The dew point
Take a look at these actual velocities.
92%.
I'm getting right around severe readings. 62 miles an hour.
7 inches. Flood is not in effect until 12:30 a.m. Wednesday. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include Carroll County and Ray County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 12:30 a.m. Impact: minor flooding in low line control driven.
7619 Central, just information.
At 9:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain
The weather conditions.
Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
That's what
in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Richmond, Carrollton, Woods Heights, Rayville, Bogart, Kema, and Stafford.
For those of you just tuning in, we're gonna go till midnight, and then we're gonna cut it again. I just wanted to stay here because we thought we saw an air rotation in my county. I wanted to cover it, but it does look like it appears to be vanishing and it appears to be weakening.
This is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 34 in Carrollton, Missouri.
Watch for debris. I just saw a tree limb come flying out on the road.
Yeah, watch out for that.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Carrollton and the surrounding area. West of tonight, cloudy. advise that there are trees lined in the roadway. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday, cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms.
House struck by lightning in Malta Bend, Missouri.
Slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Much cooler with highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, becoming west around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, 7619 Central, there's multiple power poles Southwest winds 5 to 10
Yikes.
miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour.
That was a big strike.
To 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly
Copy, are they blocking?
midnight, then becoming partly cloudy.
Negative, they're leaned into the
Lows
field.
in the lower
They're
40s.
broke completely off, leaned
Southwest
into the
winds
field.
15 to 25 miles an hour with
Copy.
gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Friday and Friday.
Being told by law enforcement that towel pools are down 65 heading towards Malta Bend.
Saturday, partly sunny. Warmer with highs.
A large amount of power poles.
Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny.
A large amount
A chance of
of power poles.
A chance of snow in the afternoon. Breezy, cooler with highs in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 50%.
Get out of there.
Mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Much colder with lows 15 to 20. Monday, sunny. Much cooler with highs in the mid-30s.
We can see the winds are veering,
Clear
or
until midnight, then
they are veering.
becoming cloudy. Cold with lows around 20. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Not as cool highs in the upper 40s. Until 5:15 a.m. Wednesday. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of north central Missouri, including the following counties: Carroll and Sheridan. The hazardous weather conditions are expected.
Central copy, Frank County, 82 and Route to 2346.
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 11:14 p.m. Tornado watch number 36 remains in effect until midnight Wednesday for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Sheridan.
The Central to responding units, information. RP advises there are still smoke and flames showing. The flames are showing near the furnace and water heater that are both run by gas. Residents were in a garage approximately 15 feet away from the residence. They have been advised to evacuate 2347.
Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for and possible rain. Stations to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 36
Starting to hear some hail.
until midnight Wednesday for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Sheridan, Cooper, Howard, Lafayette,
Yeah.
Pettis, Randolph, Lee, and Bailey. There is an important tornado.
Starting to hear some hail.
Tornadoes occur in many parts of the world, but the United States experiences more tornadoes than any other country in the world. In an average year, 800 tornadoes are reported nationwide, resulting in 80 deaths and over 1,500 injuries. Flooded
In regards to those power poles that were down, there's lines on both the north and the south side of the road. The ones that are down are on the north. I'm not sure which power company that's going to be.
minor flooding in low-lying and forward drainage areas.
Copy, we're making contact.
Details at 9:22 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain has fallen.
Yeah, not quite sure that's not the styles rotation.
0.5
That's not gonna be enough. I need to see more or different tilt. That's not gonna be enough. Yeah, that's not doing anything. For those of you just tuning in, we thank you for tuning in. This is a definitely won't be as long as the last stream. We're just tracking some storms that are moving into the Saline County area, central Saline County area through Marshall, Slater. Just had a report that a house was struck by lightning near Malta Bend, Missouri, and is on fire. So these storms are moving through, and they are posing a threat. So we do have this that initially went live due to the threat, the possibility of maybe some little rotation, but it does look like it's vanishing off and not holding on any longer. It does look like it's Why are we talking? Lights flickered. Okay. For those of you just tuning in, we thank you for tuning in. We're going to cut the stream at midnight. Still continuing to see storms move through the area. Large hail. I think this weather threat is pretty much over. I think the main threat right now is heavy rain, lightning, and some gusty winds. I think the tornado threat is over. I do believe that the threat has ended around the time that we said earlier, around midnight or shortly after midnight. And I think that's where we're at.
Still smoke, the excessive flames are under the house. Looked under the house. I don't see any flames anymore. There's still smoke coming from underneath. And fire is arriving. Copy.
Yeah, storms continue, still continue to move through. Yeah.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations
Tornado watch does expire at midnight. Tornado watch does expire at midnight. I just want to make sure everybody's aware of that.
http://www.weather.gov/
It does expire at midnight for the area, and I don't believe that Pleasant Hill or the Storm Prediction Center is going to extend that watch due to reasons aforementioned.
weather watches and warnings. Weather radios with a specific area message encoder can be programmed to activate an alert for counties you select within the broadcast area. Codes to program the radios for specific counties can be found on the internet. Use the keyword specific area message encoder and counties in your favorite search engine. This is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 34 in Carrollton, Missouri. Central Daylight Time.
10.9, 2355.
The official National Weather Service forecast for Carrollton and the surrounding area. West of tonight.
And they have just canceled the expired tornado watch.
And thunderstorms, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Cooler with lows in the lower 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday, cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly sunny with a tornado watch number 36 has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Sheridan, Cooper, Howard, Lafayette, Macon, Pettis, Randolph, Ray, and Saline. Repeating, the tornado watch number 36 has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Sheridan, Cooper, Howard, Lafayette, Macon, Pettis, Randolph, Ray, and Saline.
All right. Tornado watch has been allowed to expire for Ray, Saline, Pettis, Randolph, Wyandotte, Lynn, Johnson, Miami, Bates, Carroll, Cass, Sheridan, Cooper, Henry, Howard, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Megan, and Pettis counties. You are now lifted and relieved from the tornado watch. As you can hear the thunder outside, it is very, very intense.
Then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Much cooler with highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, becoming west around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in
Dubois, get out of the office.
southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles
Dubois, get out of there.
increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Breezy and not as cool with lows in the lower 40s.
Alpha 3 arrived at 5th, 9.2, 9.2.
Copy.
Friday night, mostly cloudy.
Dubois, get out of her office.
Lows in the upper 30s. Saturday, partly sunny. Warmer with highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of rain. A chance of snow in the afternoon. Breezy, cool.
Central Slater EMS radio check.
Precipitation 50%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Much colder with lows 15 to 20. Monday, sunny. Much cooler.
Come here.
Highs in the mid-30s.
He's here. Okay, I enabled a copy your transmission.
Tuesday, mostly cloudy.
Go sit down.
Morning, then
Go sit down.
partly sunny. Not as cool with highs in the upper 40s. At 11 p.m. in Chillicothe. The temperature was 60, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 92%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour.
Don't you go in there.
The pressure was 29.67 inches. For other cities in Missouri, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 72 at Warrensburg, 56 at St. Joseph, and 72 at St. Louis. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Columbia and 69 at the Lake of the Ozarks. It was cloudy with a temperature of 68 at Moberly, 72 at Sedalia, 60 at Kansas City, and 63 at Kirksville. Elsewhere in the Midwest, at Topeka, rain was falling with a temperature of 58. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 40 at Omaha and 50 at Des Moines. At Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 58. Once again, at 11 p.m. in Chillicothe, the temperature was 60, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 92%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour. 29.67 inches.
All right, it's midnight. We're gonna go cut the stream.
Clear medic 1. Loud and clear.
We are going to cut the stream. It is midnight. Tornado watch has expired. Expect just heavy rainfall, gusty winds to be the main threats. I believe the sewer threat is completely over at this point. All right. Talk to you guys later.
Central 1.